Hello class, my name is Calvin, and what I'm going to be doing today is performing a process from my fellow student whose name is Jerry. Okay, and the process I am performing today is making hot chocolate from a mix or from scratch. Okay, I'm going to be making it from a mix, but I'm not going to do it from scratch. Okay, and what I'm going to do, we're going to start step by step. Okay, the precondition is all supplies are clean and on the counter. In my case, the counter is not where the microwave is, so we're just going to use the kitchen table. Okay, what we're required to have is 1 packet of hot chocolate, which is right here. A packet of, well, we got a packet of hot chocolate, 1 cup of water, which is right here, a bag of marshmallows and whipped cream. And we have 1 thing of whipped cream, so we're good to go. Okay, step 1, hot chocolate, open packet of hot chocolate. So what we'll do here, obviously I'm going to have to cut it, get it open, making a little bit of a mess, but it's alright. Okay, second action, pour hot chocolate mix into the coffee mug, which I've already performed. The next step is a decision. If adding marshmallows, the next action, place marshmallows into the coffee mug, which you're about to do. I think that's going to be enough. This is just a demonstration anyway. Then next decision, if adding whipped cream, action, put 1 spoonful of whipped cream into coffee mug. So we want to follow directions as per Jerry here. So I don't have the tub of whipped cream, I just have the aerosol can, so we'll just have to put it here in the spoon. And it's, as you can see, it's already in the cup, in the coffee mug. Pour 1 cup of water into coffee mug. I have bottled water, so what I will do is go ahead and pour this into the coffee mug. Okay. Next, set microwave. Wait a minute, I'm skipping something. Next action, place coffee mug into my microwave oven. So I'm going to take this coffee mug, walk it over to my microwave. Put it in there. The next action is set microwave timer to 1 minute. Then the next action, press start button on microwave button. So we'll go ahead and get it started. Let it go down. Okay, it's going to take about a few seconds for this to wind down. But when it winds down, I actually have a decision. It says if microwave timer sounds, which it will sound in about 40 seconds. We'll go ahead and take it out. So it's going to be very interesting how this turns out per instructions for Jerry. Got a few more seconds. Alright, timer's going off. So we'll go ahead and take it out. That's the way it looks. Okay, remove coffee mug, which is the next action, which we've already done. Now the next action is stir contents of coffee mug. As you can see, got it all stirred up. And then the final action here is to actually drink the cup of hot cocoa in the coffee mug. It actually tastes very, very good. So the minute timer actually worked after we stir the contents up. So this is how, per instructions per Jerry, how we make hot chocolate. Okay, now we'll go ahead into the post condition. Okay, post condition says place all used supplies in the sink and place used hot chocolate packet in the trash can. So for our intents and purposes, we only have a spoon, so we'll go ahead and place that into the sink, which you're not going to be able to see, but I'm going to walk over here to the next room and place it in the sink. And you all have to kind of excuse my kitchen right now. So it's in the sink, and I'm throwing this into the trash bag here. So. And that's it, but we have a couple questions that we want to answer. Question number one, were the actions and decisions clear and concise? The answer to that would be yes. The answers to the questions very clear, concise, very cut and dry how to make hot chocolate. What could have been better? I would say nothing. It's pretty cut and dry. It's not that complicated to make a cup of cocoa. Okay. Next question, have you learned anything from this experience that you will use to improve your process description moving forward to the next assignment? As I have learned, you have to be very clear, and you can't assume that people will know what you're talking about, so you have to kind of simplify the steps as Jerry has done here, so there won't be any confusion. You can't assume that the knowledge that you have is going to, the next person that's performing will automatically understand what you're talking about, so you got to be very clear and concise. Okay, that's it for my experiment. Thank you, everyone, all my classmates, for your time.